An arithmetic progression and a convergent geometric progression each have first term as 1 upon 2. Okay, so let's say the arithmetic progression what we have is 1 upon 2, then it should be 1 upon 2 plus d, the next term should be 1 upon 2 plus 2d, next term should be 1 upon 2 plus 3d, and it goes on like this. What about geometric progression? So first term has been given as 1 upon 2. Considering the r as the constant ratio, we can say that second term is r upon 2 and the third term is going to be r square upon 2 and fourth term is r to the power 3 divided by 2. And this way the geometric progression will go on. Now according to the first statement, the sum of the second terms of the two progression is 1 upon 2. So second terms as in 1 upon 2 plus d plus r upon 2. So 1 upon 2 plus d plus r upon 2 should be equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore what I can say, d is equals to d plus r upon 2 equals to 0. Hence what I can say, r is equals to negative of 2d. Or if we write in terms of d, so d is equals to negative r upon 2. Okay, so this is the first equation we got. Now second we have is the sum of the third terms of the two progression is 1 upon 8. So third term is this one and this one. So writing it 1 upon 2 plus 2d plus we have is r square upon 2. This is equals to 1 upon 8. Okay, multiplying the entire equation by 8, what do we get? Multiplying by 8 over here and multiplying by 8 over here. So this becomes 4 plus 8 to the 16d plus 2 4 are 8. So 4r square is equals to 1. Let's put the value of d over here. So this becomes 4 plus 16 times negative r upon 2 plus 4r square is equals to 1. Taking the 1 over here and rewriting this equation, what do we have? 4r square minus 8r plus 3 should be equals to 0. Okay, so what will be the value of r? So r is equals to plus 8 plus minus under root of 8 8s are 64 negative of 4 times 4 times 3 divided by we have is 4 2s are 8, or I will write it as 2 times 4. Okay, so this is 8 plus minus under root of 64 minus 4 4 are 16, 16 3s are 48 divided by 4 2s are 8. Hence this is 8 plus minus 64 minus 48 is 16, 16 under root 16 is 4 divided by 8. So the value is either going to be 1 upon 2 or 3 by 2. Okay, so the values of r is 1 upon 2 or r is equals to 3 by 2. Now if it's a infinite GP, so for infinite geometric progression, r should always be less than 1. Hence this solution will be not valid solution. Therefore r is equals to 1 upon 2, and we also know the first term of the GP is a is equals to 1 upon 2. So the sum of infinite GP is going to be a upon 1 minus r. So 1 upon 2 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 2 will become just 1. Hence the correct answer to this question is going to be 1. 1 will be the answer.